Have you ever been browsing online, adding items to your cart with excitement, only to reach the checkout page and feel a sudden sense of unease? Have you noticed that little extra fee lurking at checkout? Delivery insurance or order guarantee? These options seem to pop up more and more frequently these days. It asks for a few more dollars, but what is it really for? Is it a genuine safeguard, or just another way for companies to pad their profits? Shouldn't the store make sure you get your package anyway? After all, isn't that part of the service they're already providing? Why pay extra for basic service? It feels like you're being charged twice for something that should already be included. It can feel like a hidden cost, slipped in at the last minute, hoping you won't notice. Stores should be responsible for delivery. It's their job to ensure your purchase arrives safely and on time. So, what is delivery insurance really? It claims to protect your order if it's lost, damaged, or stolen. It sounds like a safety net, promising peace of mind for a small fee. But is this promise always true? Does it really offer the protection it suggests? Nobody wants their package lost or broken, so this insurance seems smart, especially when you're excited about your purchase and eagerly anticipating its arrival. The idea of a quick, easy fix is tempting. Who wouldn't want a hassle-free solution if something goes wrong? If something goes wrong, they say they'll handle it. No fuss, no stress. It's a comforting thought in our fast-paced world. But is that really the case? Or are there hidden catches and loopholes lurking in the fine print? That's the sales pitch anyway. It's designed to make you feel secure and protected. Let's dig deeper and find out if delivery insurance is truly a friend or foe to the savvy online shopper. Here's a secret, a little-known fact that could save you a significant amount of money. Most of the time, you simply don't need these extra fees that are often tacked on during online purchases. These fees promise protection, but often they're just padding the retailer's profits. Why? Because you likely have protection already in place, safeguarding your purchases without you even realizing it. Many people diligently pay these extra fees without realizing they're already covered through other means, essentially throwing money away on redundant services. Most credit cards offer a valuable perk called purchase protection. It's a standard benefit designed to give you peace of mind. This protection covers you for lost, damaged, or even stolen items that you've purchased with your card. It's a built-in benefit, a safety net provided by your credit card company at no extra cost to you. So that delivery insurance you're being offered might just be redundant, an unnecessary expense that duplicates existing coverage. Take a moment to check your card's terms and conditions. You might be surprised to discover the extent of the protection you already have. Big online stores like Amazon, with their vast reach and commitment to customer satisfaction, Target, known for its trendy finds and reliable service, and Walmart, a retail giant focused on value and customer care, all have strong customer service policies designed to resolve delivery issues efficiently. They'll often reship your items promptly, ensuring you receive what you ordered without additional hassle. Or, they'll offer a full refund if there's a delivery problem that can't be easily resolved, putting your mind at ease. Their reputation depends on providing good service and ensuring customer satisfaction, including successful and timely delivery of your purchases. So, this insurance fee often duplicates protections you already have through your credit card or the store's own policies. You might be paying for something that's already covered, leading to unnecessary expenses. This coverage is already provided by your credit card as a standard benefit, or by the store as part of their customer service guarantee. It's like buying 2 tickets for the exact same movie showing, a complete waste of money. Why do that when one ticket gets you in just fine? It simply doesn't make sense. Understanding this simple concept can save you a significant amount of money over time. Let's delve deeper and see how these protections actually work in practice with some real-world examples. Let's take a closer look at the benefits your credit cards offer, beyond just the ability to make purchases. Many people are unaware of the valuable protections and services that come standard with their credit cards. These benefits can save you money and provide peace of mind when shopping, both online and in physical stores. Many cards offer purchase protection, a valuable feature that can come in handy in various situations. This means that if your item is stolen or damaged within a set time frame after you purchase it, usually within 90 to 120 days, you're covered. To take advantage of this protection, you can file a claim with your credit card issuer. Depending on the specific terms of your card's benefits, the card issuer might opt to repair the damaged item, replace it with a brand new one, or simply reimburse you for the original purchase price. Another powerful tool at your disposal is the chargeback. This comes into play if your order never arrives, despite confirmation from the seller. Or, if the item you receive is significantly different from what was advertised or isn't as described, you have the right to dispute the charge with your credit card company. Your credit card company then launches an investigation into the matter, contacting the seller for their side of the story. And, if the dispute is found to be valid, you get your money back, plain and simple. This provides a crucial layer of protection, shielding you from unscrupulous or unreliable sellers. Beyond credit card protections, major online stores also have clear and well-defined policies in place to protect their customers. After all, they want happy customers who will return and continue to shop with them. So, if a package is lost in transit, they will typically resend the item to you at no additional cost, or provide a full refund of your purchase. This service is usually provided free of charge, with no extra fee required to take advantage of these protections. For example, Amazon's A to Z guarantee offers comprehensive protection. It specifically covers issues that may arise when dealing with third-party sellers on their platform. Similarly, eBay offers a money-back guarantee that provides a comparable level of security. These guarantees represent strong protections that are designed to safeguard buyers, and the best part is, they're already included as part of the service when you shop on these platforms, so you don't have to do anything extra to activate them. Because of these built-in protections, no extra insurance is typically needed for your purchases. So, with all these protections in place, why pay more for additional coverage that you likely don't need? What about smaller or lesser-known sites? Here, you need to be extra careful. These sites might push delivery insurance hard, but what are you really getting? Sometimes, it's just a way to boost profits. The insurance might offer no more protection than your credit card, or could even be a scam. Tricky terms can make claims difficult or impossible. You end up paying for a false sense of security. For example, a small craft site might offer shipping protection, but the fine print excludes damage, or a resale platform charges for buyer protection that should be standard. Always read what it really covers. Remember, shouldn't the store handle delivery? Yes, they should. Reputable sellers take responsibility for getting your order to you safely. Don't pay twice for basic service. Know your existing benefits. Check your credit card's purchase protection and chargeback rights. This knowledge is your first defense. Before buying from new sites, check reviews and read the insurance terms. What does it actually cover? Is it better than your card's protection? Usually not. Major retailers have established systems for shipping problems and value their reputation. Sticking with trusted names is safer for your wallet. Avoid questionable extra charges. Did you already pay for unnecessary insurance? Don't worry, it happens. If you have a delivery issue, try using the insurance you paid for. If it doesn't work or feels misleading, contact the merchant for a resolution or refund. If they won't help, and you paid by credit card, contact your card issuer. You may be able to dispute the fee. Your credit card company can be a strong ally. The key takeaway: you're probably already covered by your card or the seller's policies. Be vigilant at checkout. Watch for pre-ticked boxes or confusing extra fees. Don't pay for protection you don't need. Stay informed, shop smart, and protect your money. What would you do if you saw this fee? Think about it.